We are the last dog at the bowl.
Drives hard at Dion, layup, missed it. Gobert the rebound, here comes the Jazz. As Curry gets inside. Although not much detriment to the playoffs, they're 6-0. Rick Snyder wanted him go to the basket, get in the paint. He does, and answers.
Look at this. Wow! We know who won that from. Hold that, big fella. Hold that. That's how you win the team back right
Yes, I do. I do ever so want the ball.
Go get it!
Oh boy, I will get it and then bring it back.
Quick, Russell.